Hey traders, welcome to the Trading Mentors and welcome to the full market analysis, daily video analysis, which we do most days if there's things going on for VIP members. If you're a VIP member, congratulations, you're doing very well. This is the final trading week for 2026 and looks like it's going to be a really good one. So I'll cover the markets, but let me cover gold on steroids for you, for those who have not seen it before. So very simply and straightforward, this white line represents the 50 moving average. When the price moves above the 50 moving average, then we are looking for buys. When the price moves below the 50 moving average, we are looking for sells. So if you're trading during the Asian session, you'll make 200 or 300 pips there. Simple, straightforward. Welcome to the best charts in the world, bar none. I've been doing this for 35 years. So why look anywhere else? Totally up to you. So once we get into a position where we have a beautiful buy signal here, I actually got in much earlier at 42.77 down here somewhere. So it was actually a little bit earlier. And once we get into that position, we can actually start moving our stop. It's going to hit our target in the next hour or so, giving us 360 pips. So very nice indeed. So we could actually start locking profits in, can't we? And then moving things around a little bit. If it doesn't hit the target by the end of the day, take the profits and enjoy the rest of the day. Let's go over the positions we already have. Euro Aussie. Congratulations, we're moving our stop to at least break even with the support lines and the 50 moving average. It looks like it might hesitate a little bit, but doesn't matter. We'd lock profits in anyway. Now the euro pound has a kind of change of direction, change of character, but it's slight. Probably going to move up in the next few hours, but once you get into that position, you can just close the position as I have and just lock in the profits. Euro New Zealand looking very nice indeed, so we can actually move our stops with the support lines very easily, very quickly, no time at all. Pound New Zealand, if you're in this one, then you just simply move your stop to break even now. Flicking through. Euro Canadian, how's that doing? That's looking okay. Move stop to up there. I got in on the demand area down there, our plus power of 73 with divergence convergence. So looking pretty good. Price moving up to the supply zone in the next few days by the look of it. Now once you get into a position where you have at least break even or you've locked in sufficient profits, then you just relax. We'll be holding these positions over the Christmas period if we have to, because we have zero risk in the market. Aussie Swiss is looking fantastic. Beautiful move here. So the stop loss is probably in about the right position. It's going to hesitate into the demand areas, but probably heading for 52.20 in the next 24 hours or so. Oh, looks like our target has been hit. Yeah, there you go. So nice one. Congratulations, 360 pips if you got in on the buy signal on the gold on steroids. If you want the gold on steroids, it's £495. A massive investment into your future. US Swiss looking okay, hesitating a little bit, but the dollar is weaker, so this should drive this lower, heading down to 77.90 thereabouts. But again, as the price moves, as time goes on, heading into the Christmas break, then we'll be locking in profits and making sure that any positions that we've got during the Christmas period and New Year period is at least at break even. Let's have a look at the DXY. I mentioned this in the weekly Forex forecast at the weekend, and we can see here that the price is holding on to market structure, and as long as it does, then we can expect it to be on a slippery slope to demand here at 97.40, and of course that will drive the euro dollar up and the US Swiss down. So choose one or the other. We're short the US Swiss. Sterling's hesitating across the board at the moment. Aussie USD is pretty flat. New Zealand is pretty flat. Nothing going on there. And the US yen is heading south, as previously mentioned in the blog, 153.24. US Canadian's not doing much, but weak. And of course the US Swiss is in profit, but we'll be watching this. If it changes character, then just pull out. Don't worry about it. In the next 24 hours we'll find out what's going on. But weaker dollar across the board. Let's have a quick look at the yens. I think they're fairly mixed. Yen futures is looking stronger, but hesitating with a sell power of 78 actually. So this could be highly significant. If you see that you have a change of character and the price starts to do this on the yen futures, then you will be buying into the yen pairs. So in terms of the Swiss yen, then this area here is highly significant at 193. We could see the price bounce here. Looking ahead slightly, same with the euro yen. I did expect the price to come into a very strong demand area. It still might do that, so just bear that in mind. It might not come in as deep. It might just do this before it does this. Aussie yen, same. New Zealand yen, same. All falling over. Pound yen, looking very mixed indeed. So the ones that we've got are perfection, and we'll hold on to those and lock it in profits as they go. Have a great day.